Yes, yes, yes. So, Alex likes dogs, but Kaden doesn't. Here she's Kaden.
I don't know.
His eyes go like this. Did you video his face, Mark? It's kind of dark in here, though.
Looks fine.
Oh. Hey. Hey. Kiss, Kaden. Kaden, can you kiss? Kaden! Nuh-uh. Give it to Nina and Shar. Give it to me, please. Can I have it? Please? Kaden, you're gonna have a bath tonight.
Oh, look at that.
Remember Alex did that with the toy?
Kaden, don't eat that. No.
Careful, Alex. He might throw it. Kaden. You see that, Alex? This one's old. Your brother doesn't like Dougie. Oh.
It's a video.
That's nice, Alex. Say hi to the camera. Hi.
That's the last time you can play on the bed, okay?
What are you Come here. No, he's licking his shirt.
Because there's food on it. Are you getting his face? He's showing it. Hey, hon, calm down. You're going to have asthma. No, Kaden, that's old too.
No, come over here. That's old.
Get it, Char.
No. No, not that one.
He's smiling. I should buy him his own dog toy.
Here, this one.
Come on, man. I don't see it.
Why do you like that? Are you not sad?
He's swallowing you.
Hey!